Slope. Hey, watch the language. Slope is the change of y over the change of x, or in other words, we've been using y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We're going to use a graphic from a point and slope. If you want a ruler, more than happy to use. I got a couple here for a straight line. Let's see, through the point to 1. See, to 1. I have to use a slope of 1/3. So I'm going to go up 1 to the right 3. Get yourself a whole mess of points. It's easier. Up 1 to the right 3. This is also -1 over -3. So I could go down 1 to the left 3. Down 1 to the left 3. I'm going to use a straight edge because I can't draw a straight line for me. So there's my line with a slope of 1/3. Huh? 8 up 3. No, up 1 over 3. I'm not sure what you're talking about, Burgess. Oh, this point is 8, 3. Yep. Sorry. All right, number 3. I have the slope is -2, which is -2 over 1, or 2 over -1. Okay, through the point -2, 3. So -2, 3. See, if I use this one, I'm going to go down 2 to the right 1. It's a negative slope, so it's going to go that way. Down 2 to the right 1. Down 2 to the right 1. I could also go up 2 to the left 1. Down 2 to the left 1. I'm sorry, up 2 to the left 1. Up 2 to the left 1. Draw a straight line. Put the 1 point in there and use your slope. Like 5, what's my slope? Remember, it's the coefficient of x. My slope is at 2 or 2 over 1. My b is -4, so it crosses my x-axis at -4. Start with your b. I'm sorry, my y-axis. The y-intercept. So start at -4. That's where it crosses the y-axis. Use your slope. Up 2 to the right 1. Up 2 to the right 1. Up 2 to the right 1. Draw a straight line. Number 7. My slope is the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is -1. Make it a fraction, put it over 1. I can also use 1 over -1. My y-intercept, +3, so start there. My y-axis, +3. Use my slope. If I use down 1 to the right one, down one to the right one. I could also use 1 over negative 1. From my y-intercept 3, I can go up 1 to the left 1, up 1 to the left 1, up 1 to the left 1. Draw my straight line. Okay, number 9, we're supposed to find the slope. Remember how to do these? Pick 2 points and just count. So my slope is down 2, down 2 to the right 1. So it's negative 2 over 1, or 2 over negative 1, doesn't matter. If I have y equals a number, what's my slope? Do you remember? It's 0, which is a horizontal line, correct? And my y-intercept is going to be 5. So here's my y-intercept, which means a horizontal line is going to have every y value of 5. So my line is a horizontal line going through y equals 5. X equals 5, what's my slope? Do you remember a vertical line? It's undefined. And it's going to go through my y-axis. Do I have a y-intercept? No, because it's a vertical line at y equals, or sorry, x equals 5. Yeah, the slope is 0, gives me a horizontal line going through the point y equals 5. And then a vertical line, x equals 5, is a vertical line going through the value x equals 5. Uh, 13. 13, we have to put it in slope-intercept form first. Okay, my slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So in other words, I have to get y by itself. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. And I get y equals negative 2x plus 4. My slope is negative 2 over 1. And my y-intercept is positive 4. Graph it. Positive 4. Slope is negative 2 to the right 1. Negative 2 to the right 1. Negative 2 to the right 1. Use a straight edge. Some of these get hard, especially when you get into fractional slopes. Number 15, I have to get y by itself. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides. So y is going to equal negative x plus 0. My slope, coefficient of x, which is negative 1, put that over 1. My y-intercept is 0. So it start at y equals 0, down 1 to the right 1, down 1 to the right 1, down 1 to the right. Cheyenne, sit down in a chair, please. Okay, number 17. I have to get y by itself. So I'm going to divide every term by 3. 3 is cancel, I get y by itself. 6 divided by 3 is 2. I'm going to pull that x out since it's in the numerator. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. My slope, coefficient of x, which is 2 over 1. Y-intercept is 4. So start at 4. Up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. Guys, quiet down. Quiet. That's enough. Inappropriate. Okay, number 19. I have to get y by itself. So I'm going to divide every term by 2. So 2's cancel, I get y by itself. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. And my x, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Slope, coefficient of x is negative 2. Put it over 1. Y-intercept, 5. Graph it. See, we start at 5. Down 2 to the right 1. Straight edge. Draw your line. (21) Divide every term by negative 3 to get y by itself. Negative 3's cancel. I get y by itself. 12 divided by negative 3 is negative 4. Don't forget your x. Negative 15 divided by negative 3 is a positive 5. Guys, quiet. Slope, coefficient of x is negative 4. Put it over 1. My b is positive 5. Quiet. So start at 5. Go down 4 to the right 1. Down 4 to the right 1. Draw a straight line. Watch language. See, these pretty much the exact same thing. So you can do that for your homework. You have to do the evens on this for practice work. Practice work is pages 1 and 2, the evens. If you want to do more practice, go ahead and keep doing the pages.